In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust Squarespace grids, spacing, and gaps if you want your section layout to feel cleaner, more balanced, and easier to read. These settings can make a big difference. Squarespace gives you simple controls for changing the space between items, the overall height of a section, and how content is aligned. Once you know where these options are, it becomes much easier to fine-tune the look of your site without changing the actual content. To begin, open the section you want to work on and click Edit Section. This is where Squarespace keeps the layout controls for that specific area. If you're trying to improve the way images, text, or buttons are spaced, this is the right place to start. Inside the section settings, look for the gap option. Here, you can select the type of gap you want to use. This setting controls the spacing between elements in the grid, so changing it can affect how compact or open the section feels. A tighter gap can make content look more connected, while a wider gap can create a more spacious, modern layout. As next, click the three dots on the gap setting. This opens more detailed controls, giving you a little more precision. If you want something more customized than the default options, this is where you can refine the spacing. After that, adjust the slider. As you move it, you can change the amount of space between items more precisely. It's a good idea to make small adjustments and watch how the layout changes in real time. That way, you can find the sweet spot where the section feels visually balanced without looking too crowded or too empty. Then move to the height setting. Here, you can choose between small, medium, and large. This setting changes the vertical size of the section. Small is useful when you want a compact layout. Medium works well for most standard sections, and large gives your content more breathing room. The best option depends on how much content you have and how prominent you want that section to feel on the page. Finally, select the alignment you want to use. Alignment determines how the content is positioned within the section, and this can really influence the overall presentation. Choosing the right alignment helps your design feel intentional and polished. As you make these changes, keep the rest of your page in mind so everything stays consistent. Small spacing and alignment adjustments can have a surprisingly big impact on the final look. And that's how to adjust Squarespace grids, spacing, and gaps.